Hey guys, it's Matt with Defender Bros, and I just got this box in the mail from Alpha Outpost. I usually get a box from them about every month. It's always camping gear, survival gear, and sometimes firearms maintenance stuff. So the theme for this month, May 2019, is Castaway, and it's looking like it's going to be a fishing themed box. So let's open it up and take a look inside. So with every box, you usually get one of these little info cards. Has some kind of like handy tips on there. Also, maybe it'll even talk a little bit about stuff that came in there, like it's talking about this fishing card, which set that aside for now. Pretty sure these are the, looks like you get two of those fishing cards they were talking about. Looks like you got a few fishing hooks, all that other kind of, I'm not much of a fisherman, so I don't really know what the term for these parts would be, but it looks like you got something you can fold over, make like a little frog jig or something. A couple parts you could use as a saw. That's pretty neat. The last couple months, they haven't really, I've not been too impressed by them. Honestly, I'm considering canceling my subscription. Mostly because it's just stuff I keep getting that I don't need and I'll probably never use. Like one month they sent me just a bunch of knives, like kind of a K-bar style survival knife and two smaller knives. It's like, that's cool and all. I'm not much of a knife collector. I've got a few pocket knives I carry, but that's about it. That's probably all I'll need. Anyway, back to this box. Looks like it got some kind of microfiber towel or cloth here. All kinds of uses for something like that. Set that aside. The fishing reel. So maybe there's a fishing rod of some kind in here. Okay, so it looks like there's some kind of extendable fishing rod that you just see if I can get this thing on camera here. You just kind of screw that and locks it in place, I guess. That's not bad. I mean, again, I'm not much of a fisherman. I don't own any fishing equipment. This is honestly the only fishing pole I have right now, so maybe I'll use it, maybe not. I don't really know. I'm just kind of concerned about the quality of it, being that these boxes are only like $30 or so a month, and then they fit all this stuff in here, 30 or 35, maybe $40 a month, and they put all this stuff in here, so I question the quality. Get a little patch. Looks like Wilson from what was that Tom Hanks movie? Was that movie called Castaway? I don't know. This looks like a face shield that you just kind of put your head through it, wear it around your neck, up over your face, block the sun, keep from getting sunburnt. It's nice and stretchy. What's this here? Looks like that there's just a little packable fishing stool. got a pouch on the front of it there. You can store all your lures and stuff in. A couple cans of beer, whatever. You know, again, I really don't go fishing too much, so hell, I probably haven't been fishing in probably 10 years now, 10 or 11 years. Anyway, like I was saying earlier, the quality of these items and the contents of these boxes, it seems to be hit or miss every month. Sometimes you'll get stuff that's like, wow, that was really good, or man, this is crap. Like one month, you know, you pay $35-40 a month for this stuff, so expect to get new quality stuff every time, or at least of decent quality. One month they sent one of their old kits out with just a new name. It was the what was it? It was the range kit, which had just like gun oil and solvents and a pistol tool, some cheap feeling goggles in there, and or cheap feeling eye pro for the range. And then a few months later they sent it out again, renamed. Instead of the range, it was called Reload. I sent them an email about it saying, hey, you know, this is exactly the same as one of your previous boxes, what gives? And they told me, well, we had a lot of demand from customers to do this one again, so we did it. Sent an email, you know, about that, saying, hey, you know, I don't really care for this. Could you go ahead and cancel my subscription? And we got to talking, and I decided, you know what, I'll give them a few more months, but I kind of regret that. Every month it's just been more and more stuff that I don't care about, that I don't really need. I might look into some other subscription box services. I think there's like Tac Pack or Battle Pack or something. I might look into them and do some reviews on them, but so far Alpha Outpost, I wouldn't waste your time with them. Not unless you like the kind of survival and camping gear and stuff. Me personally, I've got plenty of this already. I don't really need more. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. We like to try to upload firearms content or equipment or gear content every Monday. Some of the stuff we've got coming up, we're going to be taking an M1 Garand from the civilian marksmanship program and trying to restore it. I think that'll be a pretty good one, just for people who are interested in that kind of thing. But anyway, it's been Matt with Defender Bros. We'll see you next time.